Hello guys, good morning. Again, I'm here in the area where where to perform my morning exercises. Actually guys, I'm done with my jogging for 25 minutes. And this time I have to share you something. I don't know how through the instruction. Sabi sa instruction guys, gusto raw tayo pumayat ng pangmadalian. Mag-fast raw tayo, or I mean hindi tayo kakain ng breakfast until 10 AM in the morning. Then after that time pwede tayong kumain. So actually guys, I already started the instruction, but I'm on my 5 days pa. So we'll see the result. I give 1 month to myself to experience or do the instruction, and then I'm hoping that the result maging totoo yung mga nasabi sa mga expert na mag-pass tayo until 10 AM in the morning, and then saka na tayo kumain after 10 AM. And then also in the evening guys, the instruction is like this or goes this way. After 8 PM in the evening, there will be no food intake na. Hindi na tayo kumain. Then kinabukas na naman. So I will see the result after a month of doing. So again guys, good morning. Thank you for watching.